It's 3 in the morning here. 5 for the majority of people that actually matter. I am ashamed. I hit on a girl tonight simply because she looked like you. She held her smile the same way you do. When you really smile, there is a calm energy that rolls across your face. You seem to wear it defiantly, as though the world refused to stop spinning, so you made it. I wanted to say, unfortunately, she was not you, and she would never do. However, I think it's fortunate. I realize now that you make me smile the way you do. A calm energy that rolls between my rounded cheeks. It says you are the girl, and the world can spin without me, because I am content here. I've been searching for some time now, only to realize I already found you once it was too late. I'm trying to take back time, among other things, simply because when I reach out in the small daylit hours, I reach for you. You're not just a girl. I'm fixated on thinking you are the girl. Your skin is familiar, yet undiscovered. I am exploring, and I love it. Meet me here, love. I missed the opportunity to offer it in your presence, so I offer it now and forever. Meet me here, love. I will be waiting, not simply till our paths cross again, but until they are one.